Okay, we have a typical liner installation from CertifiedChimneyInspections.com. CSI Service Specialist. What we're doing here today is installing a 6-inch oval smooth wall liner. Not all chimneys, when you're dealing with old homes, are made to current code requirements and able to put down your standard round 6-inch tubing. So at Certified, what we do is we get our materials made custom. You can see we have an ovalized liner here for every situation that could arise. And this is run oval the whole way to accommodate the inside chimney, which was built a little too thin to run standard tubing. Everything is stainless steel. That liner will be pulled down with a custom nose cone at the end and guided down the chimney to help make things easier, because there's nothing but brick in this chimney. There's no flute for to slide this down easily. I'll post up some more later.
So it goes down one way. So the roof, it don't matter. It doesn't matter on the roof. You can